Hello guys, welcome to my channel and happy new year to you all. So this is the preparation of new year. You can see this is the chicken I use for new year. We thank God for everything. We thank God for seeing these days. It's not easy, it's not by our power, it's by God's grace that you will see this year. So we have to celebrate it and give all thanks to God. So this is the chicken I want to use with my family and celebrate it with my family. See the way I'm cutting it like this. See another one. There's side water that I will cut. So we need to celebrate it because it's not easy to see these days. Many people that struggle to see these days, some they see it. But we that see it is not by our power, it's by God that we see it. So we have to give thanks to God. We have to celebrate it with people, cook food, share to people, and celebrate it and give thanks to God. Don't forget to thank God because it's by His grace that we see these days. And we pray also that may this year be a good year, blessing and favor to all of us. So I'm preparing my chicken for the new year. After cutting it like this, I'll wash it and season it, boil it, fry it and pepper it. Then make food like rice, can make swallow, can make fried rice, can make jollof rice. Share it to people with drink, mineral, soft drink. Share it to people and celebrate with them and thank God also. So this is not easy to see this new year. So if you enter this new year, you have to give all thanks to God and celebrate it with people. Share love, show love, and anything you eat in your family, you have to share it to your loved one because there is love we share. So I prepare this thing for me and my family and my loved one and my neighbor that I'll share for them, and anybody that is hungry that come to my house, I will give. Even if you didn't come to my house, I will share it to anybody that my hands can reach. So this new year, we are happy and we thank God to see this year. It's not easy. So I give all the thanks to God and glory and glorify His holy name. Thank you, Lord. So this is how I will prepare it. Season it with mango season, salt, pepper, garlic, ginger, and boil it. Then fry it and prepare my rice and share it. Then me and my family will eat and share to others. So that is all for preparation of New Year. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and drop your comment and share it to your loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.